Welcome, everyone. My name is Richard Affolter, and I am the director of WEBA. I would like to invite you on the 27th of May at 8 o'clock a.m. UK time for this special workshop from EF Academy. We are welcome here today, Sara Sedita.
Hi, Richard. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. I'm Sahara Sedita. I'm the Regional Admission Director of EF Academy. Me and my team, as many of us will be attending the workshop, we are looking forward to introduce you our international boarding school on the 27th of May at 8 a.m. UK time. Fill out the registration form below and look forward to meet each one of you.
Hello, thank you, Sarah. Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking forward to see you. We welcome many agents from around the world. Sarah with the team will give an excellent presentation, and we are looking forward for this special edition on the 27th May at 8 a.m. UK time. So please register below and looking forward to see you all. Bye-bye.